Welcome to the first edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. We go just yarn about all the things where they happen for the world of football. And what will they talk today? Now, ask now. I don't know whether one I don't hear this name, na new picking name, Emery ball. Well, Arsenal they don't go do naming ceremony. They talk say this style where their coach they play now. Say na Emery ball. Say it not be like those their neighbor. Oh no, you know that their neighbor where they choose something. Anytime match they gone. Say it not be like their own. See this one na Emery ball. Some people say we now no need to the border on ourselves. Say this thing na so Arsenal they play. All of them they shout. All of them they make noise. Say no be Arsenal they play under Wenger. Some people don't they talk say no. Say Arsenal go still fade. Now still the same Arsenal they go still fade. Now wait till we know them for. Now the thing be say Arsenal play against Leicester City yesterday and they win 3-1. And the way Arsenal you score those goals, the way they just they pass the ball. Now it make me they think now. If you be Man U fan, if you be Liverpool fan, if you be City fan, Man City, Tottenham fan, you get worried with the way this Arsenal they play this Emery ball. And you will be Arsenal fan. The thing they sweet you for body the way una they play. 60 seconds with Femi. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to also share and make your friends also see. Drop your comments. 60 seconds with Femi.